Hello guys, welcome to the video. I'm Navajit and today I'm going to unbox a new smartphone that is Xiaomi Mi 10i 5G, which is the Indian version of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. This is the box of Xiaomi Mi 10i 5G that I'm going to unbox today and tell you guys the specifications of this phone, the pros and cons, and yep, I know you have the questions that should I buy it or not, or what is the price range that it will be available. So I'm going to answer those questions too. So stay tuned in the video and let's get started. Here is the box of Mi 10i 5G, and here you can see 108 megapixel ultra clear camera. It has 5G connectivity with Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G, and here's the logo made in India. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So this is the back cover case, I think. Let's open it and see what is inside. And yeah, this is the back cover, pretty clear. And this is the user guide, user manual guide, and this is the pin to open the SIM tray. Let's put all this aside, and this is the device that I'm talking about, that I'm going to review, Mi 10i 5G. And let's see what is more. And this is the charger. It is 33-watt charger, and this is the data cable. It's first charger. Let's put this aside and let's see. Let's open the phone. So here I have opened the phone, and here you can see the screen. So if I talk about the display of this phone, it has 6.67 inch IPS LCD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection in the front and in the back. No AMOLED is available here, which is shocking, but it has 120 Hz fast refresh rate with adaptive sync. Also it has 240 Hz touch sampling rate. If I talk about the multimedia of this phone, the stereo speaker of this phone is really good. And with this big screen and this stereo speaker, it is definitely one of the best. And if I talk about the battery, it comes with a battery of 4820 mAh and 33-watt charger. That means it will charge your phone very quickly in, let's say, 1 hour. That's what Xiaomi claims, and it can last for 1 day to 1.5 days. If we talk about the camera of this phone, which is the big highlight of this phone too, it has a quad camera setup with 108 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel secondary sensor which is ultra wide, and 2 megapixel of both macro and depth. Also it has 16 megapixel sensor in the front. If we talk about the sensor, it comes with fingerprint sensor which is side mounted. It has face unlock, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, and IR blaster. If we talk about the connectivity, it has 5G. It also supports dual 4G VoLTE, supports Wi-Fi calling, Bluetooth 5.1, and it also supports Wi-Fi 6. Also it comes with IP53 certifications, so it is IP rated phone. Usually flagship phone has this certification, and it has too. So I hope that you guys have got an idea about the device, that what it has and what it doesn't have. So at the beginning, I have told you that I am going to give you the pros and cons. So let's start with the pros first. So it has dependable performance and 5G support. Also it has 108 megapixel camera, which is actually very good. Also it has a very decent battery life and fast charging, and it has stereo speakers and IR blaster. Now cons. The display falls short of available AMOLED options, and it is big and heavy. The device is actually big and heavy. Now you guys might have a question that after the pros and cons, should we buy it or not? So my answer is yes, you should buy it. it is worth buying this phone as it has powerful processor that will help you in gaming. Also it has great camera as you have seen it, which will also help you, and it has fast charging support. That means it will charge in let's say 1 hour. So if I talk about the price, it is available in 21k, in around 21k or 22k. So it is worth buying the phone. So that's all for now. If you guys have liked the product or have found the video any useful, do let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.